Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Downstairs. They did
From downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Court does call the case, People versus Dwight Miller.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Miller, Your Honor.
He's still muted.
I believe he is orange pants, white shirt, Judge.
I got it.
Oh, I was just happy I could read it.
Thank you for pointing that out. I figured out where he was. Oh, there he is. Mr. Miller, can you state your name, please?
He may be muted, Judge.
No, he's not muted. Sir, can you state your name?
On and for the record, my name is Dwight Miller. I'm American State National. I'm here to challenge jurisdiction. I'm here on special appearance to challenge jurisdiction, bro.
Can we approach, Your Honor?
Your Honor, I need to challenge jurisdiction.
Okay, how are you intending on doing that?
Well, Your Honor, can you show me your how I'm supposed to do this? See, it's certain things I can't remember because y'all got me in here and I don't have access to the law books. But it's okay.
There are certain things you want me to show you?
Your delegation of power, sir.
Pardon?
Can you show me your delegation of power and your oath of
My
office?
delegation of power.
Yeah,
Came from the people of Washington County that elected me. I have a certification of election in back. You want it?
Mr. Miller, as your
I would like
attorney,
a copy of your surety bond,
advise-
please, and your oath of office.
My surety bond. I don't
Yes.
have one. I'm insured by the county.
So you don't have one?
And state.
Okay. You don't have a surety bond, huh? So what's your oath? You
Mr.
have
Miller,
an
I'd
oath.
advise
You
not to.
swear oath to the Constitution, right? Yes or no?
I'd advise you not to continue this line.
Man, I'm in here. I done got victimized this morning. Are you serious? Can I get a breakout room with my attorney or my so-called attorney?
So-called attorney? No, he's a very good attorney, and he's not a so-called attorney, and you'll not refer to him that way because as you won't be disrespected, neither will he.
Okay, may I speak with the attorney in a breakout
You can
room?
do that on your own time. He doesn't get a breakout room here because he's live in the courtroom.
Okay. So
what are we doing with his case now that my jurisdiction has been established?
okay, I'm putting the motion in for dismissal because ain't no so-called witness or victim to sign a sworn affidavit against me.
Please approach, Your Honor.
And not end this? Yeah. Oh. Of course, yes, you may.
So how's y'all having a conversation without me being there?
Okay, we're back to the record in the Dwight Miller. What I'm going to do, Counsel, you're requesting an adjournment in this matter.
I am, Your Honor. Upon information, believe there may be a new case coming. I understand Mr. Miller booked into the
Your
jail
Honor.
at 10 o'clock this morning.
Your Honor.
So I asked you want
I
me to
object.
evaluate.
I object anything she talking about. First and foremost, how was you testifying?
That what?
First and foremost, Your Honor, I want this charge dismissed, man. At no time given, the lady lied.
I know, I heard your motion to dismiss.
Okay,
I denied
listen.
it already.
Listen, Your Honor, under the Constitution, what is it exactly? The maximums of law. If something comes from a falsehood, what is that? The first words out this woman's mouth, she lied. She made a story up. Talking about somebody
Okay,
put
this woman is an
nobody pulled no
assistant
weapon at her because
prosecutor.
nobody
first
had
of
no
all.
weapon.
I believe he's speaking of the complaining witness, but
Oh, the complaining witness. Oh,
But you-
not Ms.
but
Hudson?
Mr. Miller, I would advise you not to say anything more. Given the circumstances, it may be prudent to discuss this matter further and to see there's a couple other things pending, as well as a potential new charge they're indicating. This might be something we want to set over for a week.
No. I'm not worried about no new lies. Look at me. I got beat up this morning, bro. I called Pittsfield police 13 times. I was getting assaulted with motherfucking tasers and shit.
Okay.
I put it on the record. Then all of a sudden they want to switch it up to make it seem like I'm threatening somebody. I ain't threatening no one.
Okay, but we can't resolve
I
all
never
that today.
threatened no one. The same people
I
that's
know.
making these
Okay.
statements, they all three on
So-
felony probation. They done got caught.
Okay.
Their house just
Okay,
got
so we
raided.
can't resolve
And then they up
that
here
today.
playing line up on me.
Okay, so look, we can't resolve that today. And I think the best thing to, so that everybody can try to figure out what's going on, is I'm going to adjourn it out a week. Rather than 2 weeks. I'll try to expedite it. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of it all. So,
Your
probable
Honor,
cause conference.
Your Honor,
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to November 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
And I should correct my statement, Your Honor, that mag thing we saw, we discussed at the event, I think it's just the court it's going to. I don't know that it's revolving the court. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so I just got railroaded, huh?
No, that's not railroaded.
Yeah,
I'll let you know when
because
that
I'm not consenting to none of this.
Can you?
The lady, the
Yeah, cut him. I'm done. I'm so done. Is he gone?
Yes.
I feel a cold coming on for the 6th. It was like a hairball. I don't know. Court does call the case. The people versus Alexis Chapman.
Yeah, Mr. Miller, it's my understanding, Mr. Miller is, Mr. Miller, I don't know what you're showing us, but what, would you state your name for the record?
American State National. All my rights have been violated. They can't.
Did you
produce
state your
weapons.
name first?
American State National, man. Your
Okay.
Honor, I've been asking for the whole time, man. There ain't no firearm. There never was a firearm. I was kidnapped. My rights was violated. The lady lied on the scene. She said she called the police, said somebody pointed a firearm at her. Then
Sir?
when the police came on the scene,
Sir?
she made that
Sir?
statement again. And then it was proven, the
Sir?
cameras proved none of that happened.
Sir, if you want to try to overtalk me, you can. It's not going to work.
Dwight,
It's not the time for you to try to litigate your case.
Where's the
Dwight,
firearm?
Dwight, just listen. I was just appointed yesterday. Mr. Gaddy gave me the discovery this morning. Why don't we ask for a 2-week adjournment and you and I can talk?
Where's the firearm? Where's the so-called person that's the victim that signed the sworn
Any
affidavit?
objection from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned
I object.
to
I object. I
November
object.
20th.
I object. I object. I don't get
Objections
consent.
noted and denied.
You violate my
November 20th,
constitutional rights.
2025,
I ain't
9
about to
a.m.
write you up. I'm
Bond,
about to send up
bond
in
will
judicial
continue.
review.
And you know what? So
I'm about
let's
to
do
send
it this
judicial
way.
review.
That hearing will be in person. So if you got
my
something to
back
say, you
messed
can
up.
come right here and say
My
in person.
back messed
Thank
up.
you.
You know
Mute
that.
him.
You know my back messed up.
You're welcome. Court does call the case. People versus Dwight Miller.
People.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rob J. Kilwald calling outside Judge Slay's courtroom. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Dwight, would you state your name for the record?
I'm American State National. I'm appearing sui juris. You is not my attorney. That's not working for me. We got a whole issue. All my constitutional rights have been violated. I want it on the record. I was arrested by a lie. I want it on the
Okay,
record.
first of all, I'm
On
going to
the record.
stop this. I directed this defendant to be in this courthouse in
I got a
person.
bad back, sir.
And he is
I
not
got-
here in person.
Sir, I got
I
a
am
bad
not going to
back.
sit here
I
and
got a
listen to
medical
him
issue.
ramble on and on about everything.
Oh, really?
I don't
So you
mind
gonna
hearing
violate
from
my
people, but I
constitutional
tell
rights?
you, if you're
You
going to
gonna
say
violate
it
my
all, you're going to
constitutional
say it to my face. Bench
You gonna
warrant will
violate
issue
my
for defendant's
constitutional
failure
rights?
to appear. No
I
bond.
am here.
We'll get him
I can't-
here.
I got a
Thank
medical
you.
issue.
You
So
can
you gonna
mute
violate
him.
my
Thank you, Mr. Kilowald.
Okay, Judge. Thank you. Judge, if I may say, he does have some medical issues. That being said, all I wanted to do was set it for exam.
Well, when he gets here and graces our doorstep, I'll be more than happy to set it.
All right, I'll bring my constitutional book. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr.
Right.
Kilowald. Court does call the case. People versus Gary Coward.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Hey, Simpson, I'm coming to see you, bro. You violated my constitutional rights. I am coming to see you, bro.
Hey, I hope you are not making a threat against me, because that's going to cause you a whole bunch of other problems. Get that number. Yeah, I bet you it did log out. Get that number. It will have the full number. We'll go find him. Get the detective bureau on that, please. All right, let's go. You don't
Oh,
want to come
sorry.
up here now, do you? I know. He's just standing there like, man, I just, oh, my name, I'm just up
Do you
here.
want me to knock her detective bureau?
Pardon?
Maybe reach out to the DB.
I think he ends.
Okay.
Your name, sir?
Gary Coward.
And who's representing Mr. Coward? Mr. Bird?
I am. Sorry, Your Honor. Good morning. Good afternoon. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Gary Coward. I'm appearing via Zoom, Judge, because it seems a little scary in your courtroom today. So
Wow. I'm calm.
my client is present, Your Honor. He's raising no constitutional issues, and he is a citizen of the United States.
Thank you.
I'm done, Your Honor. Sorry.
No, you're not. You are just getting started. What are we
Good point.
doing on this case?
Judge, we're still trying to, Mr. Bannis and I were still trying to resolve the matter at the district court level. So I'm still discussing it with him. We're just asking for a couple weeks adjournment of the PCC.
Will the 11th work for you? I think you're here anyway on the 11th. I think I've
I
said
think
some
so.
things for you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Will that work for you?
Yes, sir. Can
All
I
right.
appear at Zoom, please?
Pardon?
Can I
Can
appear
he
at
be
Zoom
as-
at all?
That hasn't worked out for people today. No.
He's messing with you.
If you submit the, talk to your attorney, there's paperwork that needs to be submitted before that can be approved.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
December 11th, 2025, 9 a.m.
All right, thank you.
Bond will continue. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Coward. Appreciate your patience, sir.
Hey, Simpson, I'm coming to see you, bro. You violated my constitutional rights. I am coming to see you, bro.
Hey, I hope you are not making a threat against me, because that's going to cause you a whole bunch of other problems.
I am an American state national. Let me see your surety bond. I need to challenge jurisdiction before we go beyond. Get your butt in here for the next hearing, son. My back's bad, Your Honor. That ain't how this is done. Shut him up, he's done. Mr. Allen is for.